Hey, what's up everyone? This is your boy TJ and you're watching my unboxing of the Coolpad C203. Here's the device. I'm doing this unboxing one-handed. So I bought this phone at this mobile company called Flow here in Jamaica, and this is the device, the Coolpad C203. So in the box, I'm doing this one-handed, guys, so please be patient. Okay, so here's the device. So it's kind of big. Yeah. So in the device you have 3 cameras, a flash, fingerprint sensor. On your right hand side you have the power button, your volume up and down, the teardrop notch camera, speaker grill, or earphone. You have your sensors right there. You have an earphone jack at the top, 5mm earphone jack. You have a mic right there. You have your standard USB charging port, and on the left hand side there's nothing. And on the back you have a speaker grill, and you have the logo right there. You have a HD camera on the device. So let's see. Okay. Let it power on. But one thing with this phone, as you can see on the back, you're going to need a case, because this phone got a whole lot of fingerprint. Ah boy. Sorry about that, guys. My camera is overheating the phone because I'm using the my phone as a camera right now. I'm going to try to see if I can get some light so that you guys can see better. So in the box you have your USB cable, earphone. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay. You have your earphone. You have your charger. Oh, and you get a case with it too. Nice. Very nice. Hold on, I'm gonna put that on right now. So my SIM card is not inside of this phone as yet. I got to say though, the phone feels really good in the hand. It's a bit big, so you can see my thumb can reach the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so I'm going to try to see if I can connect it up to my Wi-Fi, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it connected to my Wi-Fi, and yeah, I bought this phone at Flow for this paperwork right there for that amount, 2,000, no, 20,000, 22,000, my bad. 22,500 I paid for the phone. So yeah. So oh, I'm going to have to sign in so I can show you guys what the phone can do. So I'll be right back again. So okay, I've signed in, and these are the specifications of the phone. Okay, alright. These are specifications of the phone. It's GSM compatible, HSPA and 4G, LTE. It's Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, dual SIM, dual nano SIM, and it has a 6.8-inch HD camera in the back, plus a notch display, which is this right here. If I can get you guys to see it, that's the front-facing camera, and it's Android 11. I'll show that right now. Right there, Android 11. It has a octa-core processor, 4 GB of ROM memory, and no, 64 GB of RAM memory to like download stuff and your videos and so forth. It has 4 GB of RAM memory for workload, and it supports a micro SD card. So the triple camera is 13 megapixel. I think it's the top, and the two camera down here probably should be 2 megapixel rear camera. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, guys. But we know that one of them is HD camera. One of these cameras. And flash right there. So we're going to test if this phone okay, we're going to install CPU-Z. So we're going to see how fast. Wow, that was quick. And we're going to install that because we need to test out some gameplays. So while that is downloading, let's go into CPU-Z here. So you have 8 cores, those are the RAM, and your clock speed, and these are your CPUs. That's the device. Coolpad C203. It's OpenGL's 3.2. The battery is at 59% and it's good. And the voltage, no terminal. Okay, so those are the sensors for anybody who wants to know what the sensors are like in this phone. Okay. So, in your settings, you have your standard Android settings, stock Android settings. Nothing much has changed. So it seems as if the game hasn't finished downloaded as yet. And it's downloading pretty fast too, guys. It's downloading very fast. And these are the cameras again. So I'm going to go into the camera and see if I can use something. No, don't allow. It's okay. In your camera functions, you have your panorama, you have that, refocus, you have your that, capture to capture standard pictures. So it doesn't really look too bad. It doesn't really look too bad. You can see the blacks. The blacks are looking black. Pixels. Yeah. So you have your video. You have more. You have your pro mode. You have your interval. You have your lapse. You have a slow motion. Audio note. Filters. QR codes. Your night mode and so forth and so forth. So here you'll turn on your HDR. test out the HDR. Okay. Focus. So when you're using the HDR, it doesn't, the flash don't work. No, it don't look like they, yeah, it don't allow us to use the flash while taking a picture with the HDR. It's not that bad, but yeah, as you can see, it's a bit grainy. So I would recommend using the HDR. It's a bit grainy, but standard, yeah. HDR, no, it's a bit grainy, as you can see there, compared to the standard. And that is your camera settings. Okay. Okay, we're going to give that permission and so forth. Good. So yeah, this is the phone, and it seems to be, wow, it's downloading, checking for updates, quick, very quick. Wow. That was really quick. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, it definitely can play games. So I would recommend this phone, to buy this phone. It's 22,500 Jamaican dollar at Flow. So yeah, it's called the Coolpad Coolpad C203. So yeah, see you guys later.